Welcome to 7th Standard Social Science. In this video, we are going to see the book back exercises for the lesson Production, Economics first lesson. First, choose the correct answer. Production refers to, the answer is creation of utilities. Second question, utilities are in the nature of form utility, time utility, place and all of these, and the answer is all of these. Third one, dash is carried out by extractive industry, secondary, primary, tertiary and service production. Answer is primary production. Fourth one, primary factors are land capital, capital labor, land labor, none of these. Answer is land and labor. Fifth one, the entrepreneur is also called exchanger, agent, organizer, communicator. So the answer is organizer. Next one is fill in the blanks. What means the satisfying power of a product? The answer is utility. Derived factors are capital and organization. What is fixed in supply? Answer is land. What is the human input into the production process? Answer is labor. What is the man-made physical goods used to produce other goods and services? Answer is capital. So match the following: primary production, fishing and mining; time utility, stored for future; wealth of nation, Adam Smith; human capital, education and health; innovator is entrepreneur. So next one is give short answer. First one, what is production? Production is a process of combining various material and immaterial inputs in order to make something for consumption. Second one, what is utility? Utility means satisfying power of the product. Third one, types of utility: form utility, time utility and place utility. And fourth one, what are the types of production? Primary production, secondary production and tertiary or service production. And fifth one, what are the factors of production? Land, labor are called primary factor. Capital and organization are called derived factor. Define labor. Alfred Marshall defines labor as the use of body or mind, partly or wholly, with a view to secure an income apart from the pleasure derived from the work. Seventh question, define division of labor. Division of labor means dividing the process of production into distinct and several component processes and assigning each component in the hands of the labor or a set of laborers who are specialists in that particular process. Eighth question, write the forms of capital. Physical capital or material resources, example machinery, tools and buildings. Money capital or monetary resources, example bank deposit, shares and securities. Human capital or human resource, example investment in education, training and health. Ninth question, who is the changing agent of the society? The entrepreneur is also called organizer. In modern term, an entrepreneur is called the changing agent in the society. 10th question, what are the three characteristics of entrepreneur? Identifying profitable investable opportunity, deciding the location of production unit and making innovations. And next one is give brief answer. Explain the types of production: primary, secondary and tertiary or service production. So primary production is carried out by extractive industry like forestry, fishing, mining and oil extraction. These industries are engaged in activities as extracting the gifts of nature from the earth's surface, from beneath the earth's surface and from the ocean. Secondary production is carried out in manufacturing industry, turning out semi-finished and finished goods from raw materials and intermediate goods, conversion of flour into bread or iron ore into finished steel. They are described as manufacturing and construction industries such as the manufacture of cars, furnishing, clothing and chemicals, and as also engineering and building. Third one is tertiary production. Industries in the tertiary sector produce all those services which enable the finished goods to be put in the hands of the consumers. These services are supplied to the firms in all types of industries and directly to the consumers. Example, cover distributive traders, banking, insurance, trade and transport and communication. Government services such as law, administration, education, health and defense are also included. Second detail, what is land and what are the characteristics of land? Land is a free gift of nature. Land is fixed in supply. Land is imperishable. Land differs in fertility. Land is a primary factor of production. It is immovable. It has some original indestructible powers. Third question, explain the merits and demerits of division of labor. Merits is, it improves the efficiency of the labor when labor repeats doing the same task facilitates the use of machinery in the production resulting in invention. Time and materials are put to the best and most efficient use. Demerits is repeating the same task makes the labor feel that the work is monotonous and stale. It kills the humanity in him. Narrow specialization reduces the possibility of labor to find alternative avenues of employment. This results in increased unemployment, reduce the growth of handicrafts, and the worker loses the satisfaction of having made a commodity in full. Next one, describe the characteristic of capital. It is a passive factor, man-made factor, not indispensable, highest mobility, productive, last over time, and it involves present sacrifice to get the future benefit. And finally, what are the functions of an entrepreneur? Decision making, management control, division of income, risk taking, and uncertainty bearing. So thanks, study well, and preparation is the key for success.